Can you all hear me, ladies and gentlemen? Any strategies, you choose a counter, I will structure the trade to meet your risk budget, your risk capital risk budget. That will explain the trade to you. You only got two counters. All you're going to choose which two counters you want. What? APE. Good. When, as I mentioned to you, you see now, just went up almost 2%. So I suggest the bullish trend line is still intact. As long we got option premium selling, we can still hold on for time being. Of course, if you drop below $80, that is a first warning sign. If you drop below 75, literally the trade is no more already. Okay, so that's what APEM. PM? What's PM? Okay, interesting company, Phillips Morgan. Okay, let me share with you what's the issues with first thing. Phillips Morgan, as you all should know, some of you all will know by now, is actually a cigarette company. Okay, so cigarette company is good options. First look at options first. So Sawani, is it good options? Yes, this is good options. How I know good options? 2 days, 2, 9, 15, 23, 30, 27. These are optional liquid. So what is not option? What is not good? I show you what I mean by not good. Let me go find one for the good one for you. Okay, so let's focus on one first. Okay, then we look at AEP. AEP. This one good or bad? Okay, somebody don't answer. Is the option good? No good. No, I mean, I would say it's no good lah. Depend what's objective. If for trading purpose, it's not so good as the PM. Why? Because options here are 9 days, 24, 9 days, 37, 72, 163, and things. So the option chain is not so liquid. No more overall. Okay, look at the strike price. Strike price is okay, but the liquidity is not so good. It's much better to sell 7 days, 14 days than to sell 37 days. Okay, so this company not so good. Then who else? What any other companies? Mr. To, Miss K. Any other companies you want to bring up? Tesla. I know you like Tesla. Besides Tesla, what else? Besides Tesla, Apple, any other companies? So you look carefully. Just now I mentioned about this AEP. Look at it. It can do now. Can do options now. The answer depends what you want to do with it. If you say you have a limited budget, $500,000, then this AEP is no good. Why? Because if you want to do trading purpose, you want to sell shorter term expiry. You want to sell Monday expiry. Correct. So here all the options are Monday expiry options. So you cannot do it. On the other hand, Thomas, I'm interested in American Electrical Power as a investment product. I prepare to hold the share for the next 3 to 5 years. Can do not? Then you hold the share for 3 to 5 years, then this company is perfectly good. Why? Because when you hold shares and mother shares out, most of the time you don't sell weeklies, you sell monthlies or quarterly cycles. Okay, Miss K, any company want me to do research? IBM. Okay, fine. Besides IBM, come on. Besides Savani and To, anybody else want to put the thing out? Chatai. Huh? Miss Ni. Please put out. Okay, let's do IBM now. IBM. So a lot of time you see the chart pattern look good, everything look good, but once you come to options, change, option strike price change, show that it's, show the illiquidity stuff, that may not be so good. IBM for few, not for few. Why? Got 2 days, 9 days, 17, 23, 30, 37. Okay. So which one? Okay, let's start with To. To, you want to do this Tesla, correct? Fine. So is it bullish or bearish or sideways? Bullish or bearish or sideways? Okay. Now stop. Nothing wrong with bullish. Listen to me carefully. You are, yes, there's a nice bullish trend from $140 now $206. And do me a favor, do be careful when you trade this type of time, trade this type of positions. Look for major support resistance zone. So let me show you what I mean by support resistance zones. Okay, give me a minute. China. Yes, see that. As you can see from here, you see here, you see the line here, just nice. Top, you see a flattening off here. See here, here. Okay, why don't I go back into 5 years time frame? That's just to highlight to you so I understand better. If I go and do a 5-year time frame, okay, why don't I do a 5-year time frame? Okay, okay. You see lah. This is 5-year 1 week candles. For me to consider going this trade, please kindly wait until like what you said. Eh, it's very near the resistance. Please go and break the resistance level plus 1 price action value. Okay. Okay, what I mean by price action value? Let's say for those ultra class, you know. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, look carefully. Now the support line is approximately at this level, correct? Okay, now it's about 108. Okay, so now for me to enter a position now, it must break above 108 plus 1 price action value. We are looking about almost 9 to 10, 7, 8 to $10 range. So basically, to enter this market now, you must break above the 108 so-called resistance line plus $9 price action value. Means for you to enter this Tesla must break above 2021 217. Okay, so you understand saying that? Okay, it's only bull is 217. Now it's testing the support and resistance zone. Okay, nothing wrong. I short it out. Yes, like win case, correct? Yeah, like win. Thomas, can I short it out? No. Why? You see, in order to short this company must drop below $200 level before even you can do a so-called bearish trade. Why 202 about 200 and no, so actually be fair, $190, no, $198 around there, around $198 plus minus. When hit the resistance line and drop by $9, you may want to consider to take a bearish trade. Now, no head, no tail. Why? Is it up? No. Is it down? No. Sideways? We don't know. Sideways, you cannot consider sideways because the candles there do not give us enough information to do sideways. Toh, you understand what I'm saying now? Toh? Okay? Now, Sawani, okay? One IBM. So, Toh, understand, correct? Okay? So, wait, don't chong in now, because the guy can break a new high or the guy can go sideways, the thing can drop. Okay? Now, wait until the market bulls or bears show you the directionality. Plus minus $9. IBM. IBM also very similar case. Sawani, bull or bear? Yes, you're right in bull. But I will advise to wait for more strength to come in. Look carefully. The price action value on average trade is about three over dollars. Okay, so for me to do this trade now, it's best for the underlying to break above one break above $145. Why? Price action value approximately $3 plus $3.50. Here is 414.38. 414.38 plus 350, so it's almost 144.80 cents. So to confirm bullish trade, market must go above 145. Okay, 145. Any questions? Thomas, what happened? The market drop. If you want to go down, short the market drop. Not below 138. My 138 not good enough because 138. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, look carefully. There's a lot of congestion zone here. So my advice to you, break above 135 lah. 135 will be better. But anyway, if you are bullish trade now, how much you want to do? How much you want to risk to do this trade? Sawani, how much budget? How much you want to risk to do the trade? Hey, hello, Sawani. I know your account size. $100 is not going to be helpful. Too little money, my friend. 500 more reasonable. IBM now. Here, we see IBM. Let's see. We don't want to go too far. We go to 14 days. Okay. Must below. I think let's do something like below thing. So let's say you're bullish now. Now is IBM now is 1+145. And you're bullish trade. And you want to take a low risk bullish trade. Can you not do the following things? Sell. Buy a 145 calendar. You see, Thomas, no calendar means that the strike price you choose do not have the strikes available. Okay. Something see here mouse cap here one calendar don't have means that there is no 143. There's no 143 options available. There's no 143 strikes available. If I right click here at 145 level, you buy a calendar. Have not? Have. Click here at 145 calendar. Okay. Now, Thomas, 33 cents. I buy. Stop it. Don't. Remember, you short next week Friday, 9 days away. But your long leg is 1 week later. Not good enough. Okay. Before, do me a favor. I forgot to tell you. If you do IBM trade, do me a favor. Do take note when is the earnings report. Look carefully. IBM earnings report when? Is dated on when? 19 January. So April itself, after April expiry means after the third Friday of April, okay? There is going to be earnings announcement. Let me check for April first. 19, fine. Third Friday April expiry is 15. Okay, 19 earnings announcement, so shouldn't be a problem. So we can do sell March, buy April. Any questions? Okay, sell March. Okay, Thomas, can I do here now? Look carefully. Can I do for this Friday? 2 days away. 45 call only 15 cents only. For this type of pricing, I said don't bother. So we go over to next week. 4145 call, we can sell for 65 cents or so. Fine, we great. So we sell March 9 days away expiry. We go and buy April call. Cost you $1.43. Okay? Samani, is it good enough for you to do a trade at $1.43? To Miss K, Chatai, you understand what I'm saying now? Thomas, can I go and buy April now? Can. Got two choices. You can buy April, which I Googled. You can buy April 145. If you buy April 155, it will cost you $2.10. $2.05 here. So which one you want to buy? You want to buy $2.05 or you want to buy $1.43? Miss K? Miss K still around. Miss K left already. Miss K still around. Okay? So which one to buy? You want to buy $1.43 position? Or you want to buy a $2.05 position? Now we are not confirmed there that IBM will continue its bullish trend line. Sawani, decide based on the lowest priority cost. Okay? Based on the lowest cost. What are you doing? You are doing a bullish trade, yes or no? So you go and buy a 145 call. At the same time, you sell a 145 buy 44 buy 37 days away and sell 9 days. Okay? So give you a longer, give you 37 days is good enough. Okay, by selling a call, you will first reduce your entry cost. Two, reduce your time decay substantially. Three, if the market slowly grows in directionality, will give you income. Okay, four, if the market totally after you enter this 85 145 calendar call and the market drop, will reduce your losses. Cap your losses to 145. Okay, instead of losing $2, $205, you lose $145. You understand my reason behind Sawani and To? Chatai? Okay. There must be reason doing. Because end of the day, your trade is still a directional trade. I repeat again, this trade is good. This trade structure is excellent if this thing is slowly trending outwards. If you expect IBM to shoot up by $5, $10, $15 on the next 1 week, then this trade will not. This trade is a wrong trade to use. This trade is what we call for bullish trending market. Any questions? Okay. So next one we have Tesla with the one. What do we have still behind? Okay. Just now we look at MP, correct? No. Good question. The answer is no. Listen to me carefully, We are not selling this trade. We are doing a directional trade for this company. Look carefully. Look carefully. You are buying a long dated option and sell a shorter dated option carefully. You see here, market price, my action give strike price. The answer is not true. Look carefully. April, 37 days away. Look at strike price. 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 130. So you have no much choice. You have no much choice, my friend. Miss Nee. So now, if I go and can I go and sell 150 now? Can. 150 call can now. That one is so cheap. It's so cheap. It's so cheap that I even don't bother with it. But then for you to make money, our good friend must move almost $10 for you to make money. So Nia, Miss Nee, do you think what's the chances for IBM to go up by $10 so that you can make money? What's the chance to go by $10 within the next 37 days? Okay? No much chance. But if you do at 145, can. 145 is what? At the money lah. And money can do now. Can. Okay? So by doing this trade, you are okay with it. You understand saying now? Thomas, I want to do 141. Relax. 141 you can buy now or sell now. But if you go to April, there is no 141, 142. It is 140 and 145. So this trade, the calendar trade, you choose your back end, means your long dated option first, then you sell the short dated options. Okay, repeat again. For bullish or bearish directional trade, swing trading like this one, you do the back end first. You choose the back end, then you sell the front end. Okay, our friend 1 p.m. Good, I like it also. Let's go at PM. PM option premium not very much. I can tell you, sir. You notice carefully look at option premium. 70, 80, 75 cents here, 80 cents there. Means what? This company is not a volatile company at all. Okay, let's show you. Let's look at the charts. Okay, let's look at 5-year chart pattern. That'd be good. Wow, Sawani, do be careful, Phillips Morrison is 5-year high, 10-year high, Philip Morrison started 2008 until now is all-time high. So now, for you to do all-time high trade, be careful. You need to look at the shorter time frame now. It's topish. Okay, so how do you trade this one? Okay, okay. You want to know how to trade Sawani? This is gonna be interesting. Look carefully, Look carefully. In fact, my advice to you, don't bother do a calendar. You know why we don't do calendar now? Look at carefully, 95 call, June 16 100 days away, okay? It's only $270. It's cheap. It's that cheap. If it's $2 in for 37 days away, that is expensive. Okay lah, not that expensive, but it's may not be that productive. So a straight call will be cheaper. But Thomas, can I do a calendar? You can, not a problem. Okay, why don't you do a calendar? Buy a calendar. The problem with calendar is this. Calendar is by nature is what we call a thinking man person. Yeah, Harity loss cannot. June. Thomas, you don't follow the earnings rule. Just now I mentioned to you earnings rule, correct? Earning rule, correct? You should not hold the trades to earnings through earnings because earnings can distort the announcement, distort the price action movement and charting all option premium value, correct? Yes, it's true. Uh, but for this company, PM, if you look at this company, look, this company, is technically a very quiet company. Okay, the fact that the options are 100 days away, which is technically speaking, which is about at least two earnings away, two earnings inside, it's only $2 only. So you are quite right to say, it's cheap. It's cheap because they do not foresee Phillips Morrison to do a ultra move or any sort. Okay? Questions? Okay, anybody want to buy shares? Vicky there no? Vicky like to buy shares. Vicky, any company want to buy shares? Okay. Beside Savanya and Mr. To, anybody else or any questions? Miss Nee, it's up to you. You need to give me the share company. Oh, Starbucks. Good choice. But Starbucks nowadays are much more quieter. Compared to the last time Starbucks was quite volatile. But now Starbucks become very quiet. Starbucks as it is now, to me, as far as I see, is a trending downwards company. How I know? Look carefully here. You see that? So Starbucks is trending company. You see, okay? So nothing wrong with Starbucks. Okay? So now are you buying shares or selling? Or you want to do trading? Are you buying shares? You like Starbucks to buy? You want to buy Starbucks shares? You want to trade on Starbucks? Okay? Risk budget. Good. Can afford it. Gentlemen, look at this trade. Ah, he just now was, yeah, so look, $2.85 here, $2.15 here. Okay, you see now. So now, why don't we do a trade based on trending downwards? First, let's determine Starbucks next earnings. Here, earnings was done in January 21st. Okay, fine. So now we can do a trade what? We can base on trade on based on what? Look at option pair. Look at options. It's only $1.60. And look carefully here. Here, what's the price? 95 cents, 93 cents for the call. Means what? Option premium price at this moment in time is priced on the call side leh. Okay, see now, options 175 here, and here is what, $2 plus. Anyway, don't mind. So you have a bullish or bearish? Miss Nee, bullish or bearish? Why don't we do a bearish one first, okay? We go by a calendar, okay? 76 calendar, put. So my long leg, my short position is March expiry, 9 days away. I cannot do 2 days because there will not be any money left. If I put April, cannot. If I put May, wait yeah, if I put like that, keep on don't change, give me result. That means what? Very simple. Our friend here do not have 56 strikes for April. In this case, I have to go to 55 now. So now understand me now. Nearer to expiry, you got $1 set 50 cents price. But if you go 2-3 months away, it may at $50. It may at least do. It may be what no? $50, 50, 50, 250, 50, you know, 250 spreads. So now I put 55, I can get away with it. Let's go to April. 65 cents debit. No, I think for the price it's too cheap. Okay, do this one. Sell March 55 put. Long 55 May put. Cost you $1.45. Okay, yes, you can buy a 55 call for $1.70. Also can. So which one you want to choose? Up to you. My point of view, since it is so cheap, stick to the $1.75. Miss Nee, you understand what I'm saying now? Okay, so cheap. Unless you're telling me the option is $4, then selling a short dated option like sell March options, reduce the cost is okay. But the Starbucks is so cheap, hey friend, for 72 days away, cost you $1.75 only. Is it cheap or expensive? Ladies and gentlemen, ask you a question. May options at the money call and the money put 72 days away cost you $1.73. Is it cheap or expensive? Cheap. So, do you think should do a calendar or buy a straight put better? Okay, so it's so cheap that there's no reason to do a calendar. Okay, buy a straight put. After all, it's still within your budget. Of course, if this is a $400 option, you may want to sell something to reduce your risk. Okay, any last question? Now it's 11 midnight here in Singapore. Any last question? Okay, before we continue anymore, anybody interested to take advanced options coaching or not? If you're interested, drop me a message because I am starting one class for Chat Thai. Okay, so I want you to learn together. Okay, the coaching program is 6 months long, at least 10, at least 15 sessions, webinars, or in-person live one-to-one coaching, or webinar or small class coaching like this. Okay, interested to learn to trade the most powerful trading instrument in the world? Okay, drop me a message. Okay, if not, no, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Safe trades. Okay, do not be stressed out by the market. As long as you manage your risk tight, $200 loss, $500 loss, you will not get too stressed out. Okay, you will not get too stressed out. Okay, so those people interested advanced options coaching, power option coaching, drop me a message. Okay, Chata is starting the class soon already. Okay, if not, take care, ladies and gentlemen. Good night. Bye.